How smart are my dogs? First contestant is Luna. Spin. She's a 4-month-old hound mixed with an Australian Shepherd, and she's super smart. Then we have 6-year-old Bull Mastiff Cow Dog Fergus. No. Spin. Spin. Joey, stop. Spin. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Up. Paw. Other paw. Good boy. And play dead. Bang. Yeah. Then we have 12-year-old Pit Bull Joey, who is completely deaf, which is why he is barking, because when he sees a treat, he barks, because that is what he knows how to do. Speak. Come on, speak. Whatever. Paw. Yes, can I have your other paw? Yes, good job.